In a national effort to battle against COVID-19, the Ministry of Education announced a countrywide closure of schools as part of the menu of measures implemented to mitigate the spread of the dangerous respiratory disease. The ministry has also put in place a number of mechanisms to ensure that students at home can continue their studies. However, Nightly News' roving cameras captured many school-aged children on the streets, loitering, begging, and even selling, many without face masks. According to the director of the Child Care and Protection Agency, Anne Green, there seems to be a definite upsurge of children on the streets since the closure of schools. In a phone interview with this newscast, Green said that the CPA's phones have been ringing off the hook with reports of children loitering on the streets. Green issued a stern warning to parents of the serious consequences of having their charges being on the streets during this serious time.
We're seriously looking at it, be getting calls, and we will be going to hold these parents. Some of them we might have to, the ones that I'm saying that are habitual, that we've spoken to before, that we have provided assistance for them. They need to stop it. So we have to do something to stop it, and we are planning a strategy to deal with it.
Green discouraged the Guyanese from giving money to the children, noting that it would only aid in them staying out on the streets when they need to be at home to ensure their safety during this pandemic. She stated that in most cases, the money would not even be utilized by the children.
Every time you put money into a child's hand, you're part of the problem and not the solution. Because they will continue to be out there in the streets because the public is putting stuff in their hands. If you really want to help, you don't do that. You can contact us and ask if you want to donate something to a family and so on. But don't encourage it by putting money and so into children's hands that are begging on the street.
The CPS director expressed her belief that despite the increase in phone calls about children loitering on the streets, most of them are regulars. She, however, stated that many persons have already been apprehended for the exploitation of their charges.
We're getting calls on it, and we will be responding. In fact, we did. We held a parent, the one who used to be outside, I think, churches, and it's something that they've been doing before now. So it's not the pandemic that is making them out there on the street. Some of them are habitual streetwalkers with the children.
The director encouraged persons who spot children on the streets to contact the Child Care and Protection Agency on the telephone number 227-0979. For the HTP Nightly News, Amel Griffith.